one sucks. Cause you just want the good one. Hey, Titus. Hey, why is that blue?
Look, you lost already because 2 were. Hey, don't touch.
Hey. Oh, thanks. See, he helped me. Mine just still spitting.
Yeah, the green one and the red and gold one we had is gonna be the best. Oh, I forgot what yours for the red one too. You lost one. No, we can't spin again.
I know, but you're gonna remember that I lost. I'm just trying to spin these.
This one's gonna be the longest one we had. This one.
That one's done. This one's still spinning. That one's still spinning. Hey, no. No.
These two, the longest ones. These two. Yeah. Oh, I think the green one's the longest one, huh?
Mhm.
So look, it's still going fast.
And you spin that one first.
The green one?
Yeah.
Yep, the green one's gonna be the best one.
All right, let's redo.